Hey everybody, I am not sure about you, but I plan for Halloween all year long. And I also eat Halloween candy all year long, which is not great. A while ago, I decided to stop carving real pumpkins because they are such a mess. And instead, I carve faux pumpkins because you can use them over and over every year. Well, this year, I found an even easier way to do it with StickNCarve from Sulky. Print out any design you want, stick it on the pumpkin, and start carving. Amazing. Are you ready? Let's carve some faux pumpkins. Halloween originated with the ancient Celtic festival of Samhain, when people would light bonfires and wear costumes to ward off ghosts. People have enjoyed candy corn since the late 1880s, though it wasn't originally created as a Halloween candy. These little nuggets were called chicken feed because it was made to look like corn chicken feed. Pumpkin carving comes from an Irish myth about stingy Jack, who tricked the devil for his own monetary gain. When Jack died, God didn't allow him into heaven, and the devil didn't let him into hell, so Jack was sentenced to roam the earth for eternity. In Ireland, people started to carve demonic faces out of turnips to frighten away Jack's wandering soul. I'm going to leave a link to everything I use for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Mark Montano. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the original Big Ass Book of Crafts, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.